Hello friends, welcome to Learn for You Academy. Today is December 2020. Now we will show the current affairs of question number first is according to Transparency International report, which country is the most corrupt country in Asia? So in Asia, India is the most corrupt country with transparency rate of 39%, as considered as the most corrupt country in Asia. Till when India has extended ban on scheduled international commercial passenger flights? India has extended the expansion of scheduled international commercial passenger flight till December 31st, 20. Option D is the correct answer. Next question. After Justice and TCS, which firm has crossed the rate of rupees 8 lakh cross mark? And the answer is HDFC Bank has crossed the mark of 8 lakh after Reliance and TCS. Reliance and TCS are big MNCs, that is multinational companies of India. Next question please. Which minister has launched India Climate Change Knowledge Portal? Minister of Environment Prakash Javadekar has launched Indian Climate Knowledge Portal for forest and climate changes. Option number C is the correct answer. Next question. Next question is which of the following words name as the word of the year 20 in Cambridge Dictionary? Option number A is pandemic, option D quarantine, option C COVID-19 and option D is lockdown. So the correct answer is option B, quarantine is the word of the year 2020 to be written in Cambridge Dictionary. Next question. Who has been announced as a brand ambassador of Puma? Next question. According to the World University Ranking 2021, which institute has been become top institute of India? That is IIT Kharagpur, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Bombay, and option number D is IIT Madras. And the correct answer is IIT Bombay topped the ranking of World University 2021. Next question. Question number 8 is which state government has expanded Swasthya Sathi scheme? The answer is West Bengal, and the Chief Minister of West Bengal is Mamata Banerjee. Okay friends, Mamata Banerjee expanded the state up run, that is Swasthya Sathi health scheme, to cover the entire population of state. Next question. Question number 9 is who is the author of the book I.K. Bog? Who is the author of the book? The author of the book is option C, that is J.K. Rowling. J.K. Rowling. It is based on fairy tales. The book is based on fairy tales and was officially announced as on November 20 offline. This book is running basically online, but from November 20 this book is published as an offline book. Next question. In which city road construction has begun by using plastic waste? And the answer is Lucknow. Development Authority has begun construction of road using plastic waste in the state capital city under a pilot project in the bridge to be environment friendly. Next question. National Organ Donation Day is observed on which day? And it is observed on November 27, that is option number B, November 27. Next question. Which corps of Indian Army has launched a 1971-kilometer cycling expedition in Gujarat and Rajasthan? Option number A is Konark Corps, Nagarkota Corps, Kharga Corps, and Rising Star Corps. The answer is Konark Corps. That is option number A. Konark Corps of Indian Army has launched 1971 kilometer cycling expedition in Gujarat and Rajasthan. Next question. Next question is, at which spot Indian national team has moved up in the latest FIFA ranking? The national Indian team has moved up a spot of 104, that is 104 in the latest FIFA ranking. The answer is 104. And who topped the ranking? Topper is, that is Belgium. Belgium is at the top of the list and India is at the 4th place. Next question. Who is the author of the book Jungle Nama? Who is the author of the book Jungle Nama? The answer is Amitabh Ghosh. Amitabh Ghosh is the author of the book Jungle Nama. Next question. Which state government has started Garbh Sanskar scheme? So the state is Uttar Pradesh has launched Garbh Sanskar scheme for the pregnant women, and the motive of this is to give spiritual therapy to the women of Uttar Pradesh. And so the correct answer is option number C. Uttar Pradesh government has started Garbh Sanskar scheme. Thank you friends. Hope you all like this video. If you like, please comment, share and subscribe the channels for latest updates. Thank you friends.